Hello, my trubies. So here we're gonna do a DIY frappe using the Delgada coffee from TLC. So what you see now is me adding the ice into the blender, and then following that, we're gonna go ahead and add in 8 ounces of warm water. Then I'm going to tear open the Delgada Instant Coffee packet and add it into the blender as well. Now, guys, I am not a coffee drinker, but I really, really love frappes. I used to be addicted to McDonald's frappes, so I figured since I'm doing TLC and I'm using my ISO tea, I might as well go ahead and try the frappe as well. So we're going to go ahead and add some milk inside of there and some sugar. I really would rather you guys find a natural sweetener. I would not suggest using the sugar. However, I needed mine to be a little sweet because, again, I'm not a coffee drinker. Go ahead and add your caramel inside of there as well, and let's go ahead and give it a blend. I had to take it out and add some more caramel inside of there and to stir up my ice chunks because it wasn't blending like correctly at first. I think I put too much ice inside, but again, I like that slushy texture. So go ahead, add the extras inside of there. I added some more ice inside, caramel, put the top back on top, and go ahead and blend it up, and then I grated it a bit. So go ahead and give it a little stir. If you see it's like sticking to the sides or something, you want to just give it a nice little mix. And go ahead, grate it one more time. Voila. Now I'm going to grab it inside of a glass. This is just a full glass, and I had enough extra left over for the next morning as well. But that texture that you see is what I really, really love. It's kind of like thick and slushy kind of. So I filled it all the way up to the top, and like I said, I had some left over for the next morning to do a half a cup. Take my whipped cream and put it all around the top, pull it up. I had my little helper there. Amari decided to give me a straw. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some caramel on top. I like the drizzles. Now, this was for myself. If you're gonna make this for someone else, don't be putting your fingers all in it. I would say get the caramel that comes in a squeeze jar so you can just drop it over versus the dipping caramel. We use it for apples as well. But that's it. That's how you make your DIY frappe. So if you're interested in purchasing a Delgada coffee, I'll leave the link below. And the same thing to try out our TLC ISO tea. It's an instant detox tea, and I'll post more videos about that later.